Hi, hi guys. It's July 18. I'm here in the river of Lacliman. So it's very hot, but this time it's not so hot. But still, I came here at 4 o'clock in the evening, afternoon. But still, lots of people are swimming here on the river. Look at that. Old and young swimming around here. It's not very hot today. Last week it's so hot. Lots of people have been hospitalized. Even me, I feel so hot staying home. Look at that. Sometimes, there are cold here because now it's not so hot. So people here are swimming around. Only in the river. There's no
Sino ba yan? Aray, pangit ka siguro, kaya mo ginawa ka.
there's no beach here, but anyway, some other part. Can you imagine to go down to the river? You must follow all this trail, this stair, going down there like a forest. But it's kind of a secret, but not a secret. Look at this stair, go down there. You will see. You must be careful. Then you can see how they are. Also, I'm sorry. It's very nice here. You enjoy?
It was very nice, yeah.
It's okay for you that it's okay.
No, it's fine.
Yeah. Hello. How are you? It's very rare to find these things. So very nice. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, to capture all this. And then to stair go down, you can see wonderful. Yeah, thank you, my gosh. Yeah, you enjoy. I will enjoy also. There's a boat. Wow, nice boat. People there boating. It's like an Iloilo, big river and clean, yeah, green. But if you have something like this, activities, it's wonderful. So during summer, they can do like this, and they can bring like a picnic, lunch, or maybe a little bit kind of boat, lunch there inside the boat, roaming around the river of Iloilo. So beautiful and clean. So I captured this beautiful. Sometimes, there's lots of people here, but now it's not so hot. And the water is so clear, look at that. And the baby. Okay, very nice. I am now on the top of the river. You see people are swimming. Look direct to the pond. Look at this. On the top, lots of trees and everything like a forest. And then at the back of these trees, there's a nice chateau, mansion. Yeah, look at that. I came to that river, see? Then, lots of building. After you get out from the forest, you can see at the back, you can see this strong building around. people here are going there to have a swim also. Hello guys, how are you? We're swimming. See, I'm going to the flea market where every Wednesday and Sunday they're selling flea market, you know. It's cheap fruits and vegetable and people are coming there to buy something whatsoever. Instead sometimes you go to the supermarket, you can find fresh food. Okay, see you there. Yeah. I'm still here waiting for the bus to go to the flea market. Still this building enormous. And restaurants. I will cross the street. Yep. This building at the back of those rivers and lots of trees like a forest.
Il est bien noté ou pas? Ah,
And that building that where I came from, that is the river down there. Hi guys, I'm here now here to the plant valley. So this is the statue of Dukur. I don't know where stand is. Surrounding around this building, the old building, century old, around close the plant valley. I'm waiting for the tram but not yet coming. So I decided to take this historical building in the middle of the city of Geneva. On the top of the hill, this building, surrounded by trees. Look at that. You will never recognize. There's lots of building around. Taxis are waiting for the passenger who want to go ride. Today is Sunday. That's beautiful building. at the back of that building. Before there is cinema there. It's very, very nice, but now there's no cinema more. You can find that only in the mall. But usually, really nice place.